This is the Defender Go 2K wireless camera. I'll be unboxing and going over the features of this 2K camera. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what we got. You're provided with a quick start guide, a window decal or sticker, a mounting guide, the USB Type-C power cable and adapter, mounting hardware, and of course the camera. This is a 2K camera in a small form factor, so it's good for people looking for a low profile setup. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. With just under a 3-minute setup, you can have peace of mind. This is IP65 rated, so you can use it both indoors and outdoors without worrying about bad weather. The cable also has a rubber gasket cover, helping to keep out any water or debris. There's a built-in speaker to the back of the camera, allowing you to communicate with individuals through your smartphone. To the side of the camera, there's a micro SD card reader where you can install an SD card for onboard storage. There is also a manual reset button. The camera has a revolving base joint, allowing you to position the camera to your preferred setup or monitor location. On the bottom, there are 4 rubber stands for placing the camera on flat surfaces, as well as the mounting insert to attach the camera with the provided mounting hardware to a wall or ceiling. To set it up, we'll need to first plug in the camera to power it on. Next, the Defender Clearview or Clearview app needs to be downloaded from the Play or App Store and installed. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have an account. Once done, you'll be able to pair the camera in the app dashboard. It'll ask you to scan the QR code on the camera to pair it. You can name the camera by selecting one of the preset names, or select other and rename it as you wish. You have the option of recording in HD or Full HD, but do keep in mind Full HD will take up more storage space. Next to that, you can enable the speaker to hear sound picked up from the camera. The camcorder looking icon to the right of that will record video you are viewing live and save it to your onboard smartphone storage. The camera icon next to that will take a screenshot and save that to your smartphone storage as well. Rotating the phone will give you a larger view of the live feed and also allow you to zoom in and out. By tapping on the screen, you can see the icon overlays, of which you're able to enable a siren to alert or scare off any intruders, turn on the spotlight, or enable the microphone to speak to anyone who's by the camera. In the settings on the top right, you can modify motion settings, whether it be detection area, schedules, or sensitivity. In the image and sound tab, you can adjust the device volume, image quality, as well as night vision settings. Now for night vision, you can select to only have infrared night vision, which will be in black and white, or smart night vision, which will switch from infrared to full color night vision when motion is detected by enabling the spotlight. For spotlight settings, you can set up a schedule for it to run during certain days or hours you prefer. So by pressing and holding the intercom button, you can speak to anyone by the camera from your smartphone. The playback tab will take you to your cloud or SD card storage and allow you to scroll through recorded footage. You can select dates or just drag the scroller or bar to the selected date or time. Now on the bottom, you can see clips or recordings. By default, it's on all recording types, but you can select to filter between motion detected clips, person detected clips, as well as pet detection and car detection recordings. Do keep in mind, the smart AI detections for pets and cars, as well as additional features, do require a cloud service subscription. The camera is affordable, but I guess that comes with the downside of having to pay to have some features unlocked. However, not everyone will be needing the additional features, so I guess they keep the price low and affordable for those who just want the basics, and the ones who want more can pay more to have the rest of the features unlocked. I personally would rather just pay more for the camera itself, and just have all the features enabled whether I'm using them or not, but that's just my opinion. An SD card isn't required to use this camera, however without an SD card or cloud subscription, motion detections or other detections will not be recorded or saved. You'll only be able to save recordings to your smartphone storage if you're viewing them live at the time of the recording. However, if you do have an SD card inserted, you can go into recording settings and format the SD card, as well as choose between 24/7 recording, alarm recordings, or scheduled recordings. Now when a motion is detected, you will get a pop-up notification alert on your smartphone with a screenshot or clip of the motion or person detected. You can either view or play the detection, or ignore it, as well as cancel push notifications. The night vision video is good and allows you to clearly see what's going on. With the help of the spotlight, you can see color night vision, adding that extra detail that can be useful. The small form factor will be appealing for those looking for a low profile setup, and installation is really simple. Mounting the camera is very easy, and you can mount it to any wall or surface, as well as from a ceiling. For the size of the camera, the spotlight provides enough illumination for the camera to pick up good detail, and the overall quality is good. So if you're looking for a small or compact, good quality camera, which is IP65 rated and can be used both indoors and out, I recommend taking a look at the Defender Go 2K AI camera. This is a great camera for those who want to keep an eye on children, the elderly, or just have some peace of mind when they aren't around. It's affordable and provides a good amount of features for the price. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.